here in this particular problem, let's first put what are the given into this. See, the balloon is going with constant velocity, let's say u equal to 1 meter per second, and it is in the upward direction with uniform velocity. And after 4 seconds, so after 4 seconds, let us consider this is the height h covered by that balloon, and after 4 seconds, so t equal to 4 seconds. So after 4 seconds, how much distance it covers as it goes in the uniform velocity, so we can use the formula s equal to vt. So this is the formula we are using here, and in this scenario it will be h equal to u t, putting the value of u1 as it is given and the value of t 4 second, we get h equal to 4 meter. So this is the height that balloon will cover at the end of 4th second. Okay, now a small particle dropped from the balloon. Balloon is moving upward, so therefore this particle will have also the same velocity at the upward direction. Now we will see the gravitational acceleration is also acting on the particle, and that is g. So small g is given 10 meter per second square. So if we use the formula h equal to ut plus half gt square, so here let's say it takes the time t1 to reach ground, so the particle will fall downwards and it will take time t1 here to reach the ground. Then putting this value here, so 4 equal to ut, it will be minus 1 into t1 plus half g t1 square. So the main point to be noted here, we are putting the u as minus 1. It is the direction we are considering, u is in the upward direction, and at the same time g is acting downward direction. If we consider the axis like this, so this is the positive axis if we consider, so upward will be the negative axis, and therefore the value of u will be in the negative direction as we are considering the acceleration in the downward in the positive direction. So downward we are considering positive, therefore u will be in the negative sign as it is opposite to the acceleration, gravitational acceleration. So this is the important point that you need to note. So now after this we will just calculate and put the value of g also. So here it is coming half into 10, so value of g is given here, into t1 square minus t1 minus 4 equal to 0. So it is coming 5 t1 square minus t1 minus 4 equal to 0. Again, another point you note, so this equation looks like it is difficult to get the value of t1, but think intelligently. If I just break this equation into 4 and 5, so 5 is here, so I'll have some possibilities to take common from this and try to get the value of t1. So minus t1 we are breaking, minus 5 t1 plus 4 t1 minus 4 equal to 0. So here you take 5 t1, then you will get t1 minus 1, so from this particular, and here you take 4 as a common, then you get t1 minus 1 equal to 0. So you take t1 minus 1 common from this and this, so you will get 5 t1 plus 4 equal to 0. So from this equation we can easily derive that as this is 0, then T1 will be 1. So this is the point, and here this particle what is falling from that balloon, so it will take 1 second to reach ground or to cover the distance of 4 meter.